Hi everybody, I just want to give you a quick update on this gas tank here. I sanded it all down and it came out a lot better than I thought. I thought it would be really pitted and bad. So after I got done sanding it down, I poured a little gasoline in there. I knew the leak was coming from pretty low, from the bottom. So I didn't see anything leaking. So what I did was I put a little air. I shot a little air in through the top vent of the gas cap here, and it started trickling out. It had 3 pinholes here right under where the strap goes. It looks like water was just laying in there. I don't know if it leaked from inside of the tank out, or I don't know exactly what happened, but it wasn't that rusty here. The only thing I don't like is that I used the JB weld, and the strap has to go over this. It's been setting for about 23 hours now, so I think it's pretty much hardened up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prime it and paint it, and then hope for the best. I watched a couple videos on gas tank reseals. You have some stuff called red coat that you put into the tank and shake it around and whatever. And if worse comes to worse, I'll have to take that route. That stuff's like 23 bucks for a real small can, which would do this and then some. But I also took the straps here and I sanded the straps down the best I could in here. This way it'd be a little bit of a smooth surface on either side here. And then I went and bought paint. I like using Rust-Oleum products. Last time I used this stuff, it seemed to be too watery to me. They didn't have orange. They didn't have the orange color in Rust-Oleum. So I had to settle for gloss pumpkin orange. And I do have some primer left. I'll prime it. I'll be a nice guy and prime it also. I didn't want to go crazy with this, but I don't know. And while I'm at it, the top shield, the heat shield, I'll go ahead and paint that too. I'm not priming that though. Just going to paint it. And we'll see what happens. I'll paint it, and then by tomorrow, we have a 50% chance of rain today. So I want to get it all primed and painted and put it back into the shop here and let it dry. And thanks for watching.